Introducing Folexin. Welcome to the world of Folexin, a hair growth supplement designed to provide you with healthy and vibrant hair. If you are struggling with hair loss, thinning, or shedding, Folexin is the perfect solution for you. This natural and effective supplement is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that are vital for hair health. In this video, we will take a closer look at Folexin, how it works, and the many benefits it offers. What is Folexin? Folexin is a natural hair growth supplement that works by providing the essential vitamins and minerals that promote healthy hair growth. It is made from natural ingredients such as biotin, Folexin, saw palmetto, and nettle root, which have been clinically proven to support hair health. The supplement is formulated to help with hair loss, hair thinning, and baldness in both men and women. How does Folexin work? Folexin works by targeting the root cause of hair loss and thinning, which is often due to a lack of essential nutrients in the body. The supplement is rich in vitamins, minerals, and nutrients such as biotin, folic acid, and vitamin B complex, which help to nourish the hair follicles and promote healthy hair growth. It also contains DHT blockers such as saw palmetto, which prevent the hormone DHT from damaging the hair follicles. Benefits of using Folexin. There are many benefits to using Folexin, including promotes healthy hair growth, reduces hair shedding and thinning, strengthens hair and improves texture, improves scalp health and reduces dandruff, contains natural ingredients that are safe and effective, does not contain harmful chemicals or additives. Why choose Folexin? Folexin is the best choice for those looking for a natural and effective solution to their hair loss and thinning problems. Unlike other hair growth supplements, Folexin is made from all natural ingredients that are safe and free from harmful chemicals. It is also backed by clinical studies and has received many positive reviews from satisfied customers. Whether you are a man or woman struggling with hair loss, Folexin can help you regain your confidence and achieve healthy, vibrant hair. In conclusion, Folexin is a revolutionary hair growth supplement that is designed to help people struggling with hair loss and thinning. It is made from natural ingredients that are safe and effective, and it has been clinically proven to promote healthy hair growth. If you want to achieve healthy, vibrant hair, Folexin is the perfect solution for you. Try it today and see the difference it can make. Choose your package below